Hi guys, today I have this STANLEY Multitool tool, and it's quite nice because really it got the pliers, the regular long pliers, more thin, more open pliers, and the wire cutter, which are really nice. You can fold it, storage it. You've got your blade, your can opener. These to pry open some things, and this flathead screwdriver. On the other side, got another flathead, more thin, a Phillips head, this little other blade, and this serrated file, which is really nice. It comes with this home package, so you can storage it and put it in your belt, which is really nice. And I like it a lot. You can use it on different kinds of things, as you said, mostly on the house, on the office, wherever you need it. And it's pocket size. You can have it with you on your belt, whatever you want. So it's really nice, and I like it a lot. See ya.